BetSafe Casino.
Dalyvavimas azartiniuose lošimuose gali sukelti priklausomybę.
Sveiki atvykę į BetSafe Lietuvos motokroso trečiąjį etapą Biržuose. Kilometro 750 metrų ilgio trasa, 22 tramplinai ir 2 dienos kupinos veiksmo.
Pas mus trasa, sakykime, yra šiek tiek išskirtinė, kadangi turime nemažai elementų, iš viso turime 17 skirtingų elementų, aišku, čia įskaičiuojam tramplinus, bangas ir taip toliau. Turime nemažai posūkių, dalis trasos yra kieta, dalis smėlis. Taigi specifinė trasa, dienai bėgantį pradės kietėti ir nebebus tokia klampi kaip dabar.
My mind run deep in my thoughts when I didn't have it. Sleeping on the floor, wishing it was a mattress. Now I'm in Hollywood with actors and actresses, where everybody bougie, latest trends and fashions. I'd rather keep it a buck, 100 if you ask me. I was trying to pay the bills just like last week. I was trying to sell a deal just like last week. Trying to run plays and run it up like the mathlete. It's in my DNA to have hope and make a way. Good energy will hit that MJ fade away. Miss me with the hate and now, bruh, not today. Stayed in my lane, didn't complain, this is meant for me. Whatever come my way, this is meant for me. Trying to share my story, this is history. Now this not a mystery. Stop without a hating dog, man, this is meant for me. Whatever come my way, this is meant for me. Trying to share my story, this is history. Now this not a mystery. Stop without a hating dog, man, this is meant for me. I'ma let bygones be bygones. I'ma keep rapping till I turn into an icon.
It was tough in the first model with Vlasnis. He put up a big fight, and in the second model I was focused more on the start, and I made it happen. Got the whole shot and led the pack. Taip, mes vėl lyderiai, bet kad išstartavo pirminė reiškia, kad buvo lengva. Sunku buvo, tikrai.
Markydai, kaip tau? Labai sunku buvo, bet Biržų motokroso trasa yra geriausia pasaulyje.
BetSafe Casino.
Dalyvavimas azartiniuose lošimuose gali sukelti priklausomybę.